me.
Alright, yeah. Alright, guys, so...
You know, when I stop working, it's harder to get back to work.
Yeah.
All the muscles cramp up.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. The guy who's helping us build this place, which is our new patio, is here, and I'm letting him use my vintage lasko that I found from the trash. You may remember this fan having a missing cord, but I put a cord on it, and it seems to be working perfectly fine. So Nick is here doing our patio.
How you doing?
Good. So I guess we'll plug this in.
You gotta breathe.
Yep, that's on high. Yeah, it works. I thought it wasn't gonna run because it was missing the cord, but it does. Sorry if this video isn't so good. Probably because they're outside. I could barely see the camera. Turn it down to medium. Yeah, it's kind of like crap. Pretty cool how it works like that. Especially when it's outside. Now let's turn it down low. That's the knob for my pattern rotating wheel fan. As you can tell, it's like a whole craft on the side of the rack up here. This bin, the cycle bin, holding it up. Then that on the back, and then it has to rock to the side, and then that in front. Alright, so I'll turn it back to high. And I'll unplug it to turn it off. Alright.
Do you eat lunch yet?
Nope. Because it's a half day. Right. So we better turn this on because it's hot back here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!